When I first started volunteering, I honestly didn't know what to expect. I just wanted to give back to my community and do something meaningful in my free time. But what I didn't realize was how much this simple decision would change my life. At first, I joined a local charity that helped underprivileged children with their schoolwork. I thought I'd just be helping them with homework. But soon I found myself learning from them too. Their curiosity, their energy, and their determination inspired me in ways I hadn't felt in years. Week after week, I kept going back. The more I gave, the more I received. I built real connections with the kids, with other volunteers, and even with the organizers. It wasn't just about helping anymore, it became a community, a support system, and a place where I truly felt I belonged. Then something unexpected happened. One of the senior coordinators noticed my dedication and asked me to help with organizing a major event. I had never done anything like that before, but I said yes. Planning that event pushed me out of my comfort zone. I developed new skills like time management, leadership, and public speaking. I also met professionals from different industries who were also volunteering. One of those professionals later reached out to me with a job opportunity. They had seen my work ethic during the event and thought I'd be a great fit for a position at their company. I was shocked. I never thought my volunteering would lead to a career opportunity. But it did, and it didn't stop there. Over time, I found myself becoming more confident, more social, and more open to new experiences. I started exploring other causes too, from environmental cleanups to mental health awareness campaigns. Every experience added something valuable to my life. Volunteering gave me more than just a way to help others. It gave me purpose, growth, and connections I never imagined. It showed me that when you give without expecting anything in return, life often gives you back more than you could have asked for.